Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I made simple but beautiful wall sconces. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with this 7 by 14 inch piece of insulation foam board. I'm covering the top and the 7-inch sides of my foam board with this glitter foam sheet that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Next, I used hot glue and clear packing tape to attach Dollar Tree chopping mats along the 14-inch side of my foam board. I then covered my 14-inch sides with this decorative trim that I picked up from Michael's. I used a combination of hot glue and a strong adhesive to attach mirror tiles to the top of my chopping mats. To complete the project, I removed the excess glue, cleaned my mirror tiles, and here's the finished look. For project number 2, I repeated those same steps to create my wall sconce base, but for this project, I'm using a different decorative trim. This trim came from Hobby Lobby. I'm also using Dollar Tree gemstone stickers to make my design. These gemstone stickers are self-adhesive, but I'm adding small amounts of hot glue as well to ensure that my gems stay in place over time. As you can see, I did not have a specific pattern in mind. I simply began to place down my gemstone stickers and continued until I was happy with my final design. Here's what my design looked like after using 2 packs of the gemstone stickers. I ended up using 4 packs of the gemstone stickers for each wall sconce. Once I was happy with my design, I used my crafting toothbrush to remove my glue strands. I also used a warm hair dryer to melt the glue strands as well. I'm again using a Dollar Tree push light as my lighting source. I'm also using one of these hanging hooks from a Dollar Tree picture frame to hang my design. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.